Are you looking for the next Tesla? Well, we all know the next Tesla is Tesla, but we should be looking for number two in the pure EV plays. And according to Ross Gerber, Polestar could be that number two, or Tesla's little brother, as he says. If you look at the first slide, we can see the broader EV luxury landscape, which includes a few different companies here, and that continues to narrow as it goes from the EV share of 35% by 2025. And the pure EV plays are Tesla, Lucid, Polestar, Rivian, Neo, and Xpeng. And the only two global EV pure plays are Tesla and Polestar. Polestar has the best of both worlds, stability of established players and agility of a startup. It has the stability of Volvo, which has nearly 100-year experience, and Geely, which is a Chinese company, working together. You can see in this chart. Polestar has an excited, diversified premium product profile, as you can see on this chart. They've already had the Polestar 1 come out in 2019 and the Polestar 2 in 2020. And they're introducing the Polestar 3, which is a luxury SUV slated to be shown in October 2022 of this year. The Polestar 3 should reach production by early next year. Then in 2023, the Polestar 4, and 2024, the Polestar 5. So you can see they have an aggressive released plan of new models coming out. Here's a list of all the factories that Polestar has or will be opening soon. They have a factory in Chengdu that opened in 2019 for the Polestar 1, Chaozhou, the factory in 2016 for the Polestar 2, a potential site in Europe, another factory in Chengdu, 2013 for the Polestar 3, Charleston, 2015, also for the Polestar 3. And if you look between Chengdu and Charleston, 150,000 cars per year. Hangzhou Bay, 2021 for the Polestar 4, 240,000 cars per year. And Chongqing, 2024 for the Polestar 5. As you can see, Polestar is ramping up their factories and building new factories in the near future. This bodes well for them being number two to Tesla. As of 2021, Polestar is in 19 different markets. By 2023, they hope to expand to over 30 markets. Now let's look at Polestar's state-of-the-art EV powertrain development. They are developing one of the most powerful motors in the world. Their P10 rear motor with 450 kilowatts or 603 horsepower. Highest power variant combined with the front motor will deliver 650 kilowatts of energy. Two-speed gearbox with dual clutch and disconnect feature equals energy efficiency and a compact design. Multiple installation options for easy integration with multiple platforms. The Polestar motor, the P10 motor, is 450 kilowatts, and you can see below Porsche and Tesla's motors. Combined with state-of-the-art battery technology, developed an 800-volt battery pack based on Volvo cars and Lotus technology. Switchable between 800-volt and 400-volt to match charging infrastructures. 103 kilowatt battery possible to charge to 80% in just 20 minutes. Bidirectional vehicle-to-grid charging platform. Many of the OEM car companies are struggling with software and apps on their phone. Polestar is really focused on having a digital-first go-to market model focused on the customer experience. We all know software is incredibly important for the customer experience. This is where Tesla really shines. Polestar also has an app which you can get on your phone. You can explore and schedule an experience. You can configure and finance your car, and you can manage your Polestar like climate control, lock and unlock, manage charging, and use phone as a key. You can also book services and interact with customer support. In China, there's an important app called WeChat, which many people use. WeChat is also incorporated into this app. Software will be an important part of the Polestar growth story. I agree with Ross Gerber, and I think Polestar could be Tesla's little brother. What I'm about to say next is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I feel Polestar would be a great investment to add to your portfolio. Polestar can be your second EV play, next to Tesla, of course. Polestar has an incredibly strong product and a lot of new products planned for the immediate future, and they're already producing cars. They're on track to produce 50,000 cars for this year in 2022, and they will continue to ramp up. Polestar will be doing their IPO on the stock market through a SPAC called Gore's Guggenheim, trading at the symbol GGPI. There will also be warrants available under the stock symbol GGPIW. A warrant gives you a great long-term options because this warrant doesn't expire till March 31st, 2028. Do your own research into these warrants as they might be a great long-term investment. I want to thank Ross Gerber for showing us that Polestar could be Tesla's little brother. My name is Eric Smith. Have a great day.